Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 86 Chevy K10. Good running truck because we just put a brand new 350 in it. So brand new engine, brand new carburetor, brand new distributor. Originally had the 305 in it and now has a 350 in it. Front bumper all looks good and everything there. Grill, got a crack right there. The paint, you know, it's got a pretty good shine to it. We did wet sand it and buff it. But definitely some imperfections in it, so they're hard to show you. Like there, you can see a little dirt in there. Interior's original, just from some of the documentation inside the glove box, it appears that the mileage at 86 323 is probably original. Now, obviously, the motor is a new one, but the truck itself, I'm pretty sure, has 86,000 miles on it. That's how it was sold to me also. So, here you can see it's got some cracks in the dash, pretty typical. But otherwise, the interior is in pretty good shape. Not a lot of issues there. The inside of the doors got a little bit of, yeah, there they did some fixing on it. You see some bond over right there. Cap corners look okay. Added some grips there, and then you got these tie downs on the box. Oops, sorry, my flashlight's in the way. Just and they had a topper on it at one time. You see some holes in the box. I was just using this flashlight to try to show you a little bit of the orange peel and some of the imperfections. Like I said, it's hard to show you that. There they painted the Silverado chrome, left it right on, painted it black. So there's some unique things that were done here, but it's a nice running driving truck, real short box. They never painted the tailgate. Got a heavy duty bumper on it. But if you look at there, you can kind of see some of the, it's hard to view, but there maybe you can see some of the imperfections in it. So driver quality paint is what I'm getting at. Not a show truck, but just a nice driver. Like I said, it's got paperwork in the glove box showing that it was sold with 59,000 miles back in, I believe, 09. Owner's manual. Tires are good. We've done, like I said, we've done a lot of work to it, so it's kind of ready. It was sitting for a while from what the previous owner told me, so there you can see some little bit of rock chips up there. So kind of a good driver quality 86 short box 4-wheel drive, upgraded to a 350. So you got any questions? 605-695-7391.